Welcome to Cracking the Trend Code, Strategies for Identifying Hot Products, where we uncover the secrets to spotting and capitalizing on emerging trends in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. In this episode, we'll delve into proven strategies that will empower you to identify hot-selling products and stay ahead of the curve in your Amazon business. The power of trend spotting, understanding. The significance of identifying trends is crucial for success. Market opportunities. Trends represent market opportunities that can lead to increased sales and profitability for Amazon sellers. Competitive advantage. Capitalizing on trends gives sellers a competitive edge by positioning them as early adopters in popular product categories. Strategies for trend identification. Let's explore effective strategies for identifying hot products and emerging trends. Data analysis. Utilize data analysis tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, and Google Trends to track search volume, sales trends, and consumer behavior patterns. Keyword research. Conduct. Keyword research to identify popular search terms and product categories with rising demand. Social media. Listening. Monitor social media, platforms, forums, and online communities to identify buzzworthy topics and emerging trends. Seasonal trends and events. Keep an eye on seasonal trends and events that can influence consumer behavior. Holidays and special occasions. Anticipate demand spikes during holidays and special occasions and align your product offerings accordingly. Industry events. Stay informed about industry events, trade shows, and product launches that may drive trends in specific niches. Analyzing consumer behavior. Understanding consumer behavior is key to trend spotting. Identify pain points, look for products that address common consumer pain points or offer solutions to emerging needs and trends. Follow influencers. Pay attention to influencers and thought leaders in your niche, as their endorsements can spark trends and influence consumer preferences. Testing and validation. Validate potential trends before making significant investments. Product sampling. Test new product ideas with small-scale launches or product sampling to gauge consumer interest and demand. Monitor competitors. Keep an eye on competitors' product offerings and sales performance to identify trends and validate market demand. As we conclude this episode of Cracking the Trend Code, Strategies for Identifying Hot Products, remember that trend spotting requires a combination of data analysis, consumer insights, and market awareness. By mastering the strategies discussed in this episode, you can position yourself to capitalize on emerging trends and drive success in your Amazon business. Thank you for tuning in, and may you crack the trend code on your journey to e-commerce success.